So here's what's your problem with your shift linkage. Broken. Supposed to go around that. See what the new one looks like. Pain in the neck to get to though. I had to take the whole bottom of the dash apart. Anyways. Underneath here. The steering wheel. I'm trying to get that bracket I replaced right there. Anyways. Yeah. All right, belt is out. Not easy. New one's in. AC on. One more squeak.